Assalamu alaikum learners. My name is Moazzam Ali and today we are going to learn how to crack Wi-Fi password using Python. So first of all, we will import subprocess module of Python. After importing it, we will store the profiles data into data variable by running first cmd command using check output function of subprocess. Subprocess dot check output. Here we will pass an argument list. Then decode it using decode function. After decoding, split it at new line character. Now we will store the profiles of Wi-Fi's into a profiles variable using list comprehension. Profiles is equal to I dot split at colon for I in data if all user profile in I. So now we have all the Wi-Fi profiles into profiles variable. Just see it. So there are multiple profiles of Wi-Fi in my area. After that, we will use for loop for checking and printing the Wi-Fi passwords if they are available using second CMD command for I in profiles. Running second CMD command, results is equal to subprocess dot check output. Here pass the argument list with additional features. I key is equal to clear. Now we will decode it using decode function. After decoding, we will split it just like I did it. Split at new line character. Now we will store the passwords after converting them to the list using list comprehension. Results is equal to I, sorry, B dot split at semicolon for B in results if key content in B. Now at the end, we will use try and except method for printing the Wi-Fi names and their corresponding password. So try print dot format I results at 0th index. So except indexer print dot format. After executing it, we can see it here. We have password, Wi-Fi names, Wi-Fi profiles, and their corresponding passwords. So thanks for watching this video.